Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where you get the error, we can set up mobile hotspot in Windows, and please watch this video. So this is the case when you are trying to set up mobile hotspot through your computer for other users. Now in this case, the main solution will be to first of all check whether the internet is working on your computer or not. Because if the internet is not working on your computer, then how can you share it with others? So open fast.com and hit enter and check the internet speed. Is it working? Is the speed good enough? If yes, then proceed to the second solution, which is to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Okay, expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. Done. The last solution is a network reset. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, select network reset, and finally select reset now, and then click on yes. Now this solution will cover a lot of other solutions like flushing the DNS, resetting the IP address, and then resetting WinSock. So one command for all solutions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.